Want to make your home feel straight out of the future? These viral Amazon smart home gadgets are changing the game, automating, illuminating, and simplifying your space like never before. From hidden gems to must-have tech, you'll wonder how you lived without them. All the links are in the description below. Your plant just got an upgrade, and it's floating. This levitating pot uses magnetic force to keep your plant suspended in midair, spinning slowly like magic. It's more than just cool science, it's a seriously aesthetic piece for any shelf, desk, or corner. Whether it's a cactus or fake plant, it'll look like a futuristic centerpiece. Just plug it in and enjoy the hypnotic spin. Nail art doesn't need a salon anymore. Just paint your base color, pop your nail into this smart nail printer, and let the magic begin. Use your phone to choose from tons of built-in designs, or upload your own. In seconds, it prints the image directly onto your nail with flawless detail. It's fast, fun, and feels like a mini makeover right at home. Struggling with jar lids? Not anymore. This under-the-shelf opener grips lids of all sizes. Just slide the jar in, twist, and it's open. No more asking for help or fighting with stubborn tops. You can use it with one hand, making it perfect for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength. It's out of sight, easy to install, and always ready when you need it. Running out of ice is now a thing of the past. This portable countertop ice maker starts working as soon as you fill it with water. Use the smart panel to pick your cube size, and in just 6 minutes, ice ready to go. It can crank out up to 26 pounds in a day without making a racket. Compact, quiet, and perfect for parties, camping, or daily use. Here's a smarter way to store the small stuff. Mount this compact dispenser inside a cupboard, on a wall, or right on the side of a shelf. Load it up with underwear, socks, or even plastic bags. Just pull from the bottom whenever you need one. It keeps everything neatly stacked and easy to grab. No more digging through drawers or messy piles. Just refill, pull, repeat. Tired of your faucet only pointing one way? This swivel extender gives you full control. With 3 rotating joints, you can aim the water exactly where you need it. No more awkward splashing. Choose between a soft bubble stream for gentle rinsing or a stronger shower spray for scrubbing messes. It even has a built-in filter to catch impurities. Easy to install and fits most sinks right out of the box. Grating cheese or veggies doesn't have to be a workout. This rotary grater makes it quick and easy with just a simple turn of the handle. Stack the parts, drop your food into the top cup, and spin. It does the rest. Great for carrots, cheese, cucumbers, and more. It's compact, easy to clean, and way safer than using a box grater. No more scraped knuckles. Your lawn practically mows itself. With this robot mower, just tap your phone and it starts trimming. No pushing, no pulling. It maps your yard automatically and follows clean, parallel paths for a tidy finish every time. Built-in sensors dodge trees and garden decor, and a virtual wall keeps it inside your chosen space. Sit back, relax, and let the grass take care of itself. Toothpicks, now with a touch of tech. Just wave your hand over this sleek dispenser and it pops one out like magic. No touching, no mess, and way more hygienic than grabbing from an open jar. Fill it up once and you're good to go for weeks. The top pops off easily when it's time for a refill. Clean, smart, and surprisingly fun to use. Tired of flimsy bins that collapse under pressure? This heavy-duty collapsible storage box is built to roll, stack, and store without the struggle. It pops open in seconds and folds flat just as fast. Whether you're organizing clothes, tools, or office clutter, this bin holds up to 100 pounds and glides smoothly on wheels. Front doors make grabbing stuff easy, and the sleek design fits right in anywhere. Making dumplings doesn't get easier than this. Drop a dough ball into the mold, press down, and it instantly shapes the perfect dumpling base. Add your favorite filling, veggies, meat, or sweet stuff, then fold it closed with the built-in press. Seals the edges just right so nothing leaks while cooking. It's quick, fun, and you'll get consistent results every single time. Dumpling night just got way better. Cooking doesn't have to mean a messy countertop. This silicone rest holds spoons, spatulas, tongs, even pot lids, all in one tidy spot. The wide drip pad catches spills, keeping your stove clean while you work. It's heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and has slots for multiple tools at once. Sturdy enough not to tip, but light enough to move around. A simple upgrade that keeps your kitchen neat and your tools within reach. Running out of shoe space? These smart stackers double your storage by letting one pair sit neatly on top of another without squishing anything. Each slot adjusts to fit everything from heels to hiking boots, and the grippy surface keeps shoes from sliding off. They're easy to assemble, simple to use, and make your closet look instantly tidier. No more digging through piles, just grab and go. Keep all your sunglasses in one stylish place. This folding hexagon organizer holds multiple pairs, so you can pack the whole family's shades in one go. Unfold it to see every pair at once, then fold it back down into a compact case that fits right in your bag. It's perfect for travel, road trips, or just keeping things neat at home. Smart, space-saving, and seriously convenient. Drying laundry doesn't have to take over your space. This wall-mounted rack opens up to reveal multiple rods, perfect for hanging shirts, towels, or delicates. When you're done, it folds back into a sleek panel that blends right into your wall. No bulky stands or floor clutter. It's easy to install, looks clean, and gives your clothes the airflow they need to dry naturally. Space-saving and smart. Drying your pet just got a whole lot easier and safer. This smart dryer box gently surrounds your cat or small dog with warm air from all angles, reaching tricky spots like the belly and paws. It's ultra quiet, so your pet stays calm, and the built-in air system keeps fresh air circulating the whole time. With adjustable temperatures and smart controls, it's like a spa day in a cozy box. Bath time just got a cheerful upgrade. This sunflower-shaped scrubber fits perfectly in your hand, with a finger slot for a comfy grip as you wash. It gently scrubs while your hands glide, making showers quicker and easier. When you're done, just stick it to the wall with a built-in suction cup. No mess, no clutter. Cute, functional, and always within reach. Timekeeping never looked this cool. This flip desk clock brings vintage vibes with a modern twist. Just set the dial and watch the numbers flip with every passing minute. It's oddly satisfying. The AM/PM indicator keeps things clear, and the sleek design makes it a perfect fit for any desk, shelf, or bedside table. It's functional, decorative, and seriously eye-catching. Window cleaning without the hassle? Yes, please. This mini robot sticks to your window and gets to work automatically. No ladders, no streaks. Its ultra-thin body reaches corners and edges with ease, while a built-in spray tackles stubborn stains. Intelligent pathing makes sure it covers every inch, and the safety system keeps it secure. Just turn it on, walk away, and come back to crystal clear glass. Stay cool from every angle with this all-direction standing fan. It circulates air throughout the entire room, reaching corners traditional fans miss. Choose from 8 speed settings and multiple modes to match your mood, whether you're working, relaxing, or sleeping. It's ultra-quiet, energy-efficient, and height-adjustable for perfect placement. Set the timer up to 8 hours, or let auto mode handle it while you rest. Quiet comfort all day long. Bring the stars right into your room with this Galaxy projector. It rotates 360 degrees to fill your walls and ceiling with vivid space scenes using 13 interchangeable film discs like the Moon, Milky Way, and more. Just twist the knob to sharpen the focus and let the universe come to life. With simple 3-button control, a built-in timer, and dreamy rotation, it's the ultimate nighttime escape for kids and adults alike. This foldable charger does more than just power your devices. It adapts to how you use them. Unfolded once to prop up your phone while charging, perfect for watching or video calls. Fold it again to reveal wireless charging spots for your AirPods and smartwatch, all while still holding your phone upright. When you're done, press it flat to use as a simple charger or tuck it away. Compact, smart, and ready for everything. Maximize your bathroom space with this sleek folding towel rack. Made from durable space aluminum with a matte black finish, it resists scratches and moisture while adding a modern touch to your wall. It folds flat when not in use, but opens up to offer a shelf, swivel towel bar, and 9 hooks. Plenty of room for robes, towels, and more. Easy to install, easy to clean, and built to last. This adjustable laptop stand is all about smart support and sleek design. Made from sturdy metal, it holds up to 3 laptops worth of weight, yet folds flat for easy storage or travel. The base rotates 360 degrees, so you can spin your screen without shifting the stand. It keeps your laptop secure while typing and tilts to the perfect angle, all while allowing heat to escape. Strong, stylish, and seriously handy. Stains don't stand a chance with this portable powerhouse. Designed for carpets, rugs, upholstery, even car interiors, it blasts away messes with ultra-strong suction and a dual-action cleaning formula. Just aim, spray, and watch it pull out deep stains like pet accidents or spilled drinks. It comes with 4 handy tools for every type of mess and weighs under 9 pounds, so you can clean anywhere. Compact, powerful, and built to refresh your whole space.